All right, working on some storage for our Can-Am Commander. This rack is super cool. It is up a little bit off the bed, still gives you full storage underneath, but it is a quick connect with these LinQ fasteners. And on top of it, you can configure it in a bunch of different ways. I'm using that to put the cooler and also toolkit on here. These are quick fasteners with these LinQ setups. Remove it. One thing I didn't know though is you need to get these LinQ base kit things on here, which do not come with the rack or the different boxes you can put on it. So it's a separate item. Once you've got that, super cool setup, and you can also put one on top of this. All right, we're gonna set up our toolbox to be stackable with this storage box. This is a LinQ storage box as well, to be able to stack on top of it. I've installed one of these base kits on here on the one side and left the other one open so you could kind of see. You just drill holes through here and then install this bracket, and then the box can be fastened to here, and this box can be fastened up on the rack. So double height stacking, pretty awesome. So I love having extra places just to stash stuff. In this LinQ box, we've got our air compressor down at the bottom, a first aid kit, our speed strap, toe strap, and then a bunch of other stuff in here, tire patch kits, and also some winch accessories. So we're gonna have this set up where we can just add this one up on top of our toolbox. And these quick connectors make it awesome, so you don't have to strap all this stuff down. And these are tight up here, and like I said, no straps, just all good to go. And the quick connectors make it easy, where you just pop it up, and you've got access to your ice chest. So again, we've got our LinQ toolbox, storage, and our ice chest up here on the LinQ rack with our bed completely open.